Wade.
And I'm Lorraine, and we are on the off-ramp.
This week we're heading to Dauphin Lake to do a little bit of mooch-docking with some family.
Mooch-docking is when somebody lets you hook up to their water and their electricity and park your van, your camper, on their property. Thank you for our brother and sister-in-law that let us do that this week.
And then after that, we are on our way to Clear Lake to spend a few days in Clear Lake.
And there we have full hookup, which is an absolute treat in the world of camping with our van.
So we look forward to telling you our story.
Yeah, join us as we explore Clear Lake and area.
It's 5:20 a.m. and we've been mooch docking for a few days in Dauphin, Manitoba. So I thought it was time to get up early in the morning and see what we've got. I think I'm going to need my glasses. My wife is still in bed.
Take your video.
She doesn't like early mornings. All right, let's go for a little walk. This is our setup. The fish flies have come out in full force. But we've got water and electrical. So we're hooked up. All these critters, they got these little bugs called hummers. It's 5:30, almost 5:30 in the morning. 5:22. And it's 24 degrees Celsius outside. And it is warm. Good morning from Lake Dauphin, Manitoba. You breathe with your mouth covered because those crazy bugs fly in whatever they can. This is Moochdocking in Dauphin, Manitoba. We're preparing to head out to Riding Mountain National Park. Okay, I'm not going to be able to stay for sunrise. There's too many bugs. Well, welcome to Riding Mountain National Park, a Sagaming campground. We ended up getting full water and sewer and electrical hookup. Huge bonus. That means no separate emptying out trips.
That's like glamping. It's like the best thing about the van. And so when we can get full hookup, it feels like, ooh, aren't we treating ourselves?
Yeah, yeah. It's like going to a high-price hotel.
Yeah.
There's a little talk about rain today, so we've got the firewood underneath the awning. Here, the interesting thing that they started this year is we have to pay a daily fire permit of $8 if we want to have a fire, but that includes the wood. Then you can pick up your wood for free.
And as much wood as you want.
Yeah, as much wood as you need or want.
The thing is, if you bring your own wood, you're also supposed to pay that $8 permit, isn't that right?
Yeah, even if you bring your own wood, and they do not want foreign species brought into the campground. So you might as well just pay the permit and pick up firewood. And this year it looks like it was nice and dry. So
yeah, last year it was pretty wet.
Last year the wood was very wet.
This thing's pretty good. If you haven't had a fire, it's nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, then you don't have to pull your own firewood. $8 buys, I mean, it's as much as you want. Right?
Yeah. The only thing too is that there's also a good slant coming out of the van.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful you're not rolling down the hill. Anyway, we're gonna go for a walk. It is a rather cool day here at the beach.
Yeah. But people are out on their bikes and walking.
Yeah, there's always something to do. We're walking.
Of course, don't forget, at Clear Lake, there's all the shopping to do too. Wearing your masks, you can go in and there's all sorts of neat kind of gift and clothing and sporting goods and
Ice cream.
and beaver tails. These are all highlights of this. This is really a holiday town. It's just a fun place in Manitoba.
And this pathway system here can take you all the way to Deep Cove, which is right by the golf course. And if you are golfers and if you've never been here before, it is a beautiful golf course here.
So would these be private docks?
No, I believe these are public docks, I think. So there are pathways leading up to the streets. We're just going to show you this here quickly. This is by Lily Street, and then you can take the stairway up and head over to the main streets in the town. And there's the stairwell heading to the top.
Well, I think if you're going to visit Clear Lake, you're going to have to walk along this, what do we call it? I guess it's a bridge, but it used to be like a
It's a little peninsula.
peninsula. Now the water flows freer underneath it, but it's a bit of a marina, things to rent, place to walk to. It's fun.
There's kayak rentals
Canoes.
and a couple of.
Actually, I don't see the boards that you're mentioning.
Yeah, there's one down there.
Oh, yeah, maybe, yeah. Paddle boards. Oh, yeah. Pedal boats.
And pedal boats.
The Marquise cruises go out in the afternoon, and there's a dinner cruise, and there's a sunset cruise. So if that's your interest to see the lake from sheltered platform, be one way to get out on the lake.
And this being a national park, we have our red chairs.
The red chairs that are the famous mark of the national parks. We have been in quite a few national parks across the country, and we find them in great spots. And this gives us a great view after our walk.
What time do you want?
Whatever, ordinary beaver tail. So here we are, getting our own beaver tails.
Yeah.
Oh, and a coffee if you have.
And a which?
A coffee?
Coffee? We normally beaver tails have coffee, but we don't. I'm
Okay.
sorry. There's the upper cup up there. They sell massive coffee.
Okay, good.
Morning, so good.
Well, the beaver tails have arrived, and Wade is sampling them, and it looks like, are they?
Pass the test.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Well, the whole length is 1.4 kilometers.
So if you do come hiking here, there's places you can lock up your bikes. So if you're biking from the campground or from cottage area, you can lock up your bikes here, which is kind of nice. Pets must be on a leash.
Almanac Marsh Trail is 1.4 kilometer loop trail.
And we're about a kilometer and a half from our campground as well. So
That gives us a good walk.
1.4, add 3 more. Yeah, it gives us
A bit of a walk.
4.4 kilometers.
More of a walk than a hike by the sounds of it.
It's a great little walk for families. I've seen lots of families on the road here. Or on the path, I should say, not the road. And strollers and wagons. Lots of kids critter catching. It's nice when you get to see some of the older majestic trees that are still hanging around.
Not sure the video can capture the height compared to.
Okay, you go stand in
I'll
front
go
of it.
sand. Yeah, there we go.
You and me, meant to be in the great
Nice sized trees.
forever free.
Okay, we're gonna take a bit of a detour here.
You and
Take the South Lake Trail.
me, meant to be
We get off the Ominic Marsh.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
We can go further west, or
Town.
we can hit the town,
I would say head to town because
Or
I'm done feeding mosquitoes.
we can go see the water.
Clear Lake it is. You know, if you got water and you got rocks, you got Wade skipping stones.
Nice little stop off at the lake, walking the South Shore Trail.
But a few mosquitoes. So
Really?
we gotta keep moving.
They're bothering Lorraine, but not
Oh
me.
yeah, they never bother Wade.
Lorraine decided to run ahead because apparently the mosquitoes are getting her. She's not stopping to smell the flowers, to smell the roses. This is a great bike trail region as well too. I've done lots of biking here. Just make sure that you give way to pedestrians. They should have the right of way. So don't be going too fast. Yeah, and if you're a biker, put a bell on your bike. It's a nice way to give notice to pedestrians that are walking in front of you down a trail. We know these guys. So if you do come here, you do have to get your boat inspected, as discovered by friends of ours.
Oh yeah. Hi. Yeah, you guys make it into the next video.
Here's hoping the old jalopy's gonna start.
Anyway, we were talking about boat inspections. So when you are getting your boat inspected, even your kayaks and canoes and other water devices do need to get inspected. Make sure you get them inspected. Riding Mountain National Park Visitor Center.
I don't know, I'm gonna have to check.
The other one you did is the microphones on. Nice shadows up here.
Yeah. So here at Riding Mountain National Park, you have to pay $8 for a firewood permit. And that firewood permit allows you to burn firewood at the campground. Now here's something else, you can't take your own firewood in. And that $8 permit per day allows you to pick up as much firewood as you want from their pile of firewood. So that is what Wade's got here. And he's making a nice fire this evening for our supper. Just spent the evening here, sitting by the shoreline at Clear Lake, watching people pack up and leave, watch the sun go down. A few people were joining us with sunset watching. It's gorgeous. So Wade did the journey to the White House Bakery from the campground and picked up the famous cinnamon buns that everybody says we should take. So here he is. And how are they?
I've got 6 and I'm supposed to share them with Lorraine. I don't think that's going to work. These are really good. They're just as good as Lorraine's and Kathy's.
Oh yeah, because we have the same recipe. All right. Well, we're going to enjoy these.
Yes, we are.
Thanks for joining us as we explore RV life. And this time, Moochdocking at Dauphin Lake, and then camping at Clear Lake, Manitoba.
Or Riding Mountain National Park, or also known as the town of Wasagaming.
It was great to meet some of our subscribers. Happy anniversary to Travis and Janelle. Great to catch up with Steve and Tiffany. And a very nice surprise to meet up with Mel and Kathy and their whole family. Hope you all enjoyed your time at Clear Lake.
Please take the time to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And if you see us, come and say hi.
We love sharing our experiences of discovering Manitoba campgrounds and how we do life in our Sprinter van.
Our next planned stop is Winnipeg Beach, and we are looking forward to spending some time on Lake Winnipeg. Until then, we hope you're able to add to your summer experiences, and remember to hold your plans loosely.